Okay. So the question you have is, my career counseling course is going well. I don't want to make course on that. I'm confused. I want to do it either on parenting or life coach, as I am a certified life coach too. So I have to work on that. Okay. Now, what do you, are you ready to hear some brutal truth?
Yes.
Okay. So now this is relevant to you also, Captain, because the session you started, that pilot training is doing well. I don't want to do that. I want to do retirement program. So I want to put whatever you're telling to use to, I want to apply it to that program, right? So now I am going to address this, okay, from my experience and my own insights. So welcome to the world of people who when something is working, we don't value it enough. When something is working, you are not valuing it enough. Okay, so this is working, let me move to next. You can do that if you want to grow horizontally. Keep on shifting from one program to another program, another program, another program. But if you really want to grow vertically in upward direction, it is very important that you go deep in that program which is working for you. Okay, because the other thing, establish yourself there, because something is working means something is fetching you money. That means you have unconsciously, if you were not part of this program, still unconsciously you have been doing right set of things, and with learning from here and there, you are able to manage things on your own, and you are able to create something which people are ready to buy. When you say it is successful, I am doing well, I hope you mean that I am getting well paid for it. I'm getting the money I want, and I have a lot of customers. I hope when you say it is going well, this is what you mean. You have enough business in hand, right? So if that is the case, you can actually go more deep. Otherwise, you will remain shallow. Because if you're not giving attention to this and you're trying to build something new again from scratch, and building anything new is such a struggle. For example, I have already so many successful businesses, but my knowledge business, since the time I've started this, attending that how to become a speaker program until today, which I joined the program on, and I joined in June, but the batch happened in Goa in September 2017, 22nd September 2017, 18, 19, 20, 21, 4 years. I'm still, I would not say but I have not seen that kind of success which I've got in other businesses. Okay, because this is like a from scratch fresher kind of a thing for me. For first 2 years I was working as if I'm a fresher, right? So it has taken me, I have learned so much. I'm helping people transforming lives, but I had a certain expectation out of this which has not happened at the same pace with the way my other businesses have happened, right? So what I realized is, why because I was experimenting with life mastery programs. I did preview seminar, one program, okay, now okay, everybody, because I was expecting 20 people and only 12 people came, my program was not successful according to my own personal benchmarks. So I said, no, this is not working, let me create another program. Okay, I went and created an Enlightened Entrepreneur program. Okay, I did that. It was better than the previous one. Okay, then I said, no, this is not what, I don't enjoy doing all this. I want to have my divinity program. Okay, I recorded the program and then I went on a spiritual sabbatical. So when you try to do multiple things, you are just, there's a lot of learnings. Of course, you will learn a lot. Is that what you want? Then do it. Okay, otherwise establish yourself in that space which is working for you. Go more deep, engage more people, see what else you can do. Okay, so the other, see, when the earlier when I was still struggling to find how to position myself, until that time this knowledge business model was not there in my list of things. The moment the Nicadium thing, when I signed up the agency, when you guys came for 5-day WhatsApp class, we experimented with 3 more programs. Only this knowledge business picked up very well than other two. Then I was telling them, you know what, because only few people were coming, 2 days I will do this program, 2 days I will do that program. I told him, you run both the campaigns. Okay. But the moment this thing picked up, I till today I struggle to find time for anything else, because I'm going so deep and deep and deep and trying to see what else can be done here, that I've put a pause to everything else. So it is so important that it's your call.
Can I say something?
Yes,
so I'm not contradicting or something. The point is very well taken. You are absolutely nailed that coffee. But what happens to us in our stages now, because of this pandemic and situation and things, so the career is almost doomed. So people are not going to invest so much of money for this training. At the same time, I am retired. So I'm feeling the situation.
Right.
When I'm into the problem, I could be able to resonate with others. I thought might well as, do this, and it is a charity. As I was explaining, I was well focused in when I was attending your WhatsApp classes. I mean, 3 days classes. In fact, I was talking to Ankur also when I was doing the thing. I want to be a forerunner of for the retirement guys.
Awesome.
What I feel, and I'm not expecting anything in return. I don't want to generate anything.
Right.
Beyond that, I look for as it is a service.
No, you want to become an inspirational role model yourself.
Role model, so that many people are asking me. At the same time, I don't leave my profession. Even today, I have nearly about 7 to 8 students, and each student is paying about 1.5 lakhs.
Correct. So, Captain, your case is different, and you are rare.
Correct.
Okay. And you have clarity that the other thing that I want to do is just about how you will want to present yourself, and that's how you are learning. But you have clarity that even if it is not fetching me money, it's a social service, I'm fine. So you have that clarity, right? But as I said, you are rare, right? That your professional thing is going on, and this is something you want to start, which is absolutely fine. So though the reason I took your example is because it was in alignment to her question. And
no. You can definitely. That's why I was complimenting you.
Yes.
Because if it had been another thing, like if I say I want to do parenting, or I want to do a mind coach, or I want to do XYZ, that means, we are spreading horizontally.
Correct. So that is why this is totally your call. If you have that clarity, right?